Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to customize notifications and alerts on the Infinix Note Edge. So if you want to change the way notifications work for certain apps or just disable notifications in general, there are a few things that you can do. And the first one, let's go through the process of disabling the notifications for certain apps. And to do that, all you need to do is open up Settings, and then scroll down to App Management, tap on App List, and here we have all of the apps that are available on our phone. So we can select the app that we want to manage the notifications of, and here we have notifications on the top. So we click on that, and here you have Allow Notifications. So you can either enable them or disable them. And if they're enabled, there are a whole bunch of other things that you can set up. So like notification groups. So for example, if notifications come in from the same type of notification or just from the same app, you can enable them to be grouped in the same like notification bar right here. So you tap on it and it's going to show you other notifications that have popped up. So we can change this from auto to by app. So all notifications from that app are going to be grouped, or auto means that certain topics are going to be grouped. Then we have reminder intensity. So we have AI reminder, follow app, and then mute. So AI reminder means that it's going to as you can see, it says auto mute unimportant notifications based on usage. So it's going to see what notifications are important to you and which aren't. So it's going to mute those that aren't important. Then we have follow app, which means that it's going to show us all of the notifications. And then mute means that they won't pop up right here and won't vibrate your phone, but they will just pop up in the notifications menu. Then we have other things like show badges, banners, lock screen, play sound and vibrate. The important one is lock screen, so it depends on if you turn it on, the notifications will pop up on the lock screen, and if you turn it off, they're going to be hidden. And then we also have notification style, which has other things that you can play around with. And that is how you customize notifications for apps. And now if you want to enable or disable notifications in general, so you do not receive any, you have do not disturb mode. So this moon icon right here is do not disturb mode, and what it basically does is it just mutes all of the notifications that come through on your phone. And once it's enabled, you will not be your phone will not be vibrating. It won't pop up as a little menu right here. It will just be in this menu of the notifications. So that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.